Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to install Stripe CLI on Windows and test it with webhooks. This setup is essential for developers who want to manage Stripe payments and events locally. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Stripe CLI download page. Next, download the Windows installer for Stripe CLI. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open Command Prompt or PowerShell. Type Stripe login and press Enter to authenticate your Stripe account. A browser window will open. Log in to authorize the CLI. Next, navigate to your project folder in Command Prompt or PowerShell. To test webhooks, run the command Stripe listen forward to localhost 3000 a webhook. This will forward Stripe events to your local development server. Finally, trigger a test event from the Stripe dashboard or via the CLI to ensure your webhook is receiving events correctly. You should see the event appear in your terminal. That's it. You've successfully installed Stripe CLI on Windows and tested it with webhooks for local development. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.